Today we are putting in the transom. So here it is in all its glory. Anyway, that's the transom. That wood, we're putting it against the back wall of the boat. It creates a strength for the engine, motor. He's mixing up the hardener. Ooh, you don't even have your mask on.
Yeah, no, not yet.
We've got everything ready. All the clamps are ready. My job is to be right here and ratchet on. I'll show you. Oh, we should take a selfie together. Come on, baby. Don't smile, because it does no good. Oh, cool. How do you know how much of that to put in?
So it starts getting thick.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Takes a while.
Oh, does it?
I'm not catalyzing it yet.
Oh, okay. So, this one's number 3, this one's number 1. Okay, so that's the bottom. Okay, gotcha. I'm ready. Pinching your nose. So what's that goop called?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
This is more like mayonnaise.
Is that good or bad?
Yeah, you can make it anything.
Oh, you can? Yeah, just push it around. Well, you built a nice transom. It looks cool.
Yeah.
Looks good. So did the 2 boards, they come inward, right? On that number 1 board?
Number 1, the 3 boards go down.
But they fit like against that hole, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's why you cut it like that. Put that bottom. So it cuts the piece off. There you go. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. You gotta push your screw in.
I will. Just let me get it. There you go. You push it.
Okay.
Is that about right?
Oh, yeah, hold on, let's see.
Good. Turn it out.
So slide that in the center. is too far over.
Whew. That was brutal. But I'm telling you, you come over here, and it's perfect. I mean, it's perfectly lined up.
Okay.
So, see, you have to put these, crank these on, because we got to fuse the transom to the wall, because that's what keeps your motor stable. Did I say it right?
What?
Keeps your motor stable, like it's the harness for it. Pretty much, okay. It's perfectly lined up. You're gonna love me. Looks good, baby. Oh, I can't smell that shit anymore. All right, see you later.